Welcome to IT Facts. Today in this video I am going to explain you how to create and use a template in OpenOffice Writer document. Right? This is the third session in Unit 1, that is Digital Documentation Advanced. So in this session you are going to learn about what is a template and what are the benefits of creating template and how many ways you can create a template and how to create and save the template. After creating, how to set it as a default template and how to edit, how to update and how to use the template. These are the points you are going to learn in this session today, right? So let us start with the definition of template. What is a template? A template is a model that you use to create other documents. So what is a template? It is a model. So it is also called as predefined document. Template is also called as predefined document. If you observe, you can understand by the name itself, like it is a predefined, means you are defining before only in order to use in the future. So whatever the format you want, you are designing the format of the document before itself. So what is the benefit, why we need to create templates? In order to save the time. So whenever you use in the future, simply you can access that page, the format, it will be ready already. Simply you can access the format and whatever the data, whatever the letter you want to type, you can type and you can use that. That is the benefit of creating templates, right? For example, I will explain you with one example. That is, if you take our school, in the school you will be having letterhead, no? School letterhead, if you observe. So what it contains the name of the school, address and logo of the school, right? So what the people will do, the school people, they simply keep the format ready, and whenever they need to write any letter to anybody, simply they will use the format and they will type the letter. And what is the advantage here? You need not to type format every time, like you need not to type the letterhead every time. Letterhead will be kept already ready. They will keep the document, this template ready. So whenever they need, they will simply use the template. That is the benefit. And if you take the company company document, any company's document, so what it contains, so a template for business report, that contains your company logo on the first page. If you take the company logo also, right, company report, in the report they will be having their company name and logo, so it will be displayed on the first page, right? So whenever they need to write any letter on their letterhead, they will use that format. That is the template. Template is also known as, it is a predefined document. Simply you can see it is a predefined document. So if you see the original definition, it is a model. Model means sample that you use to create other documents, right? So what are the benefits? Templates also contain predefined text, saving you from having to type it every time you create a new document. It saves the time, right? That is the definition of template. Now let us see how many ways you can create the template. So in two ways you can create a template. The first one is from a document and the second one is using a wizard. Now I will show you with an example. Yeah, now we have done with 2 points now. How many ways we can create a template? There are 2 ways to create a template, and third one is create and use and save a template. So in order to create a template, I will open my new document. Yeah, this is the format of my template. So if you want to do any modifications, you can do it. I'm making it as bold. I'm bringing it to middle. As if you want any modifications, to your document, you can, if you want to change font style also you can change. So keep your document ready. So whatever the changes you want to make, just make all the changes and keep the document ready. So this is my document. This document I want to make it as a template. So how to do it? Just go to menu bar and then select the file menu. If you go down, if you will find the option template here. Just populate the mouse over there, and here you will select the options. You will find 3 or 4 different options, and then select save. Yeah, here you will see one more window, like a template window, asking you to give the name. So what is the name of the template you want to give? I'll give my template I am giving, and which category you want to save. So I'm selecting my template category only. Click on OK. See, now this is the this format is saved as a template, right? After creating a document, if you want to see whether it is created or not, just go to file, here click on new, just go down, templates and documents option you will find, select the template. Here see my template, you can see here. If you want, here if you as soon as you select now, you can see the details of the template, like that name of the template, when it is created, a size. Simply say, if you click on open, you can see that your template is open. That is how I think we have done with third point also, that is create and save a template. So what is the fourth point here? Set or reset. Set or reset a custom template as default. So what it is saying, see here, till now if we open the page, if you open our open document, writer document, what happens? I am taking one new document, Control N. See, we can see the format, this blank page we will get, right? No, I don't want this blank page to come. Whenever I open my writer document, I want my template, this to be displayed. I want to make it as a default template. How to make it as a default template? So first again go to file, templates, click on organize. You see here it is under my templates category, right? Select it, select my template. This is the name of the template now, my template. Here click on commands option, click on the drop down beside the commands option. See here you can see different options in that. The last one is set as default template. You click on close. What happens? Now you open new document, Control N. See, now we are not getting the blank page. We are getting our template format as the default document, right? For if you want to reset it, if you again you want to get the empty document only, then you have to reset it. Again, in order to reset, go to file, organize, select the template. This is the template now. Reset as a default. What is the empty text document? Click on close. Now just open the new document and check, Control N. Yeah, we came back to our text document again. This is our fourth point, that is set or reset a custom default template. Now let us go with the fifth point, that is edit or update a template. So we have created our template here, right? This is our template. If you want to update, if you want to edit the template, and how you will update it. So in order to edit a document, just open your template, click on file, templates, click on organize. See here, select your template, that is my template. Click on edit. See here you can edit. Like for example, I want to write welcome here. Just save it. Now we will open our template whether we can see this welcome or not, whether it is updated or not. We will check. Go to file, templates. Okay, click on my template, say OK, See, welcome, you can see the welcome is updated. Whatever the text you have, it is updated to your template. Right, now I will show you the second way of creating the template. So the second way of creating the template is using the wizard, right? So in order to create a template using wizard, take the new document. I am taking one new document. Go to file. Here you can see the option wizard. If you populate the cursor over there, you can see the again you can see the one more window. What with that pop-up menu will open, and in that you can see different options like letter, fax, agenda, presentation, web page, document converter, euro converter, address, data source. So in that you can select any format. Like if you want to type letter, you can select this one. You can go with that. So in order to work with this one, you need to have JRE installed to your computer. So I think to my system, I think JRE is not installed. So like this. So how to create a template with wizard is go to file menu, select wizard, select whatever the format you want. You can choose from that pop-up menu, right? This is the second way of creating templates. Again, one more point I want to discuss with you is after creating a template. So this is the template we have created now. So after creating a template, whenever you want to use it, so you just bring the open one empty document. Take the empty document. So bring the template format into your document. How to bring it? Just file, new, templates and document. Select the templates option. Select the template name of the template here. If you say open, you can bring the template format to your empty document. This is the purpose of creating the documents. So you have created the document template already. Whenever you want that format to use, simply you will export that. You will bring that format, template format into your empty document. So that's all about the editing and updating a template, right? Hope you are clear with the edit and update your template. Chalo, now we will see the last point, that is use a template. So how to use, after creating the template, how to use it. So for that, again I'll take the document. This is my empty document. Go to file, new, templates and documents. Here click on template, click on the name of the template, open. See, this is how you can use the template, or once you created as a template, how to use whenever you want. So hope you guys understand the concept of template. This is a total explanation, and whatever the syllabus we are having, I think I have covered everything. Hope you guys understood the concept. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.